In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the stop light on your Hyundai Elantra. It's very easy and the only tool you will need is a 10mm wrench. So let's get started. Open the driver's side door. Release the trunk. Once the trunk is open, the way to access the bulb is from inside the vehicle, and for that we need to first take off the tail light off the vehicle. Now that's access panel. Open that up. If it's the first time you're doing it, that seam over there, it may not be torn, so you'll have to do it. It's very easy. Just take your time with it. Be gentle. All right. Just tear that seam like that. Okay. Now that that is done, first thing we'll do is we'll take the electrical connector off. So pinch it down over there like that and pull it out. It should come right out. Now let's use the 10mm wrench to take off the 3 nuts which are holding the tail light in its place. Make sure you don't drop the nuts over there. Keep them safe, don't lose them. Now once that's done, we can just pull the tail light off. Just grab it like that and it will come right out. Once that's done, we need to gently pull that rubber seal that's over there. Just gently pull it, don't yank it. You don't want to damage it. Now wherever you place the tail light when you're working on the bulbs, make sure you place a towel so you don't end up scratching the lens. Right? Now that is the bulb holder for the stop light. So grab it, twist it left like that, and then it should just come right out. Once the bulb holder is out, to get the bulb off, all you need to do is just press it down. Before you touch the bulb, make sure your hands are clean and dry. Press the bulb down, twist it left, and it will come right out. Okay, the new bulb, align the pins on the bulb with the slots on the bulb holder. Push it down, twist it right, and it's done. Make sure you align the big tab on the bulb holder with that slot over there. That way it sits flush easily. Put it in, twist it right, and you're done. Now that hook over there, these 1, 2, 3, and 4 pins. These are the alignment pins that we need to make sure we align properly. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 holes and that white clip over there. Before we do that, let's put this rubber seal back in its place. Make sure you seal it properly. Don't rush it. See, once it's done, then we can install the tail light just like this. Align all those pins. Make sure it sits flush. Push it. See how it's sitting flush now? Good. Now that's done. Let's put those nuts back in its place and tighten them using the 10mm wrench. Let's not forget to connect the electrical connector. It just goes in one way. So slide it in and then click it. Now we can close that access panel. Let's try it out. That looks good, right?